Jamie Moore. Early here. Hey, welcome. Welcome. Hi, what's happening to you? Nothing. Why are you sad? I'm not sad. Just wake up. Just, oh my god, I'm not crying. Flooding this morning. Water Grand, hi. Just wake up. Just wake up. Thank you for 2 people. Relax, don't cry. Hi, Dwayne. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Cheryl, very good to see you today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Hi, Campaign. You are recorded. Thank you, 9 people. Just wake up. Thank you, guys. Just trust the process. What? If you have to, what? I'm not crying. I just wake up. Not crying. Don't fear. What fear? Hi, Michael. What time is it? 5:54 in the morning. Thank you. Nice to see you. Thank you, Michael. It's a 5:54 in the afternoon here. Ah, okay. You are a good one. Thanks for Carlos. I love seeing you. Thank you, Michael. Makes my day. Makes my day. Martin. Hi, Martin. Thank you for joining. You must hide. Just wake up. And just wake up, Michael. Thank you, Martin. We're in the house. Thank you. Good morning. Raining here. Thank you for 19 people. You're waiting to sleep time. Raining, yes, raining here. Where Dre? Well, we had school today and it's raining this hard. Raining here. Good morning. Thank you for 28. Hi, Sir Mickey. Hi, Mickey. What's your dream last night? My dream last night. I don't know. No dream. Such a treat to see you. Thanks. Oh my god. So, alright. Good morning. Hey, why mom? No mom. Oh my god. Just Cheryl. Thank you, Mickey. Stop by Kuya Fred's live yesterday. Very interesting. We agree. Party, party. Party, party. Beautiful. Hey, Cheryl. Thank you so much, 28 people. Hi, sorry. Since his house is on the top of the mountain, yeah, I love that. I love Kuya Sir Fred home, top of the mountain. Thank you, Marlon. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Get up, get up. Oh my god. Wash your face and get your day started. Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you for um let's see. Rain, yes, raining. Good morning, hi. Just thanks to today. Ang aga mo naman ginisip. Yes, sweetheart, I'm fine. I wish I could wake up this much already. I think so. Aaron dances in his sleep. Yeah. I think so, Mike. Thank you, patient people. Ah, my God. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. It's coffee o'clock, yeah. We're going to get sun under the light. Yes, my skin is not, it's a brown. Brown, my skin is brown. Hi, Eggs. Thank you so much. Good morning, show. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you, Eggs. Derek Johns. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning. It's alright. Bye, Mom. Have a great day. Thank you for your dream, for joining here. Bye-bye. Alright, my nickname, well, thing. Jimmy Moore. So, wild thing. My God. Well, the wild thing. Thank you for your drink. Hi, Rodney Wood. Hope the mods do the job and keep the creepy comments. So, yeah. Thank you for your drink. Okay. Hope the mods. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Kape. Thank you po. You're very welcome. I'm a model. 5 different channels. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. You're very delicious. Good morning, Dwayne. Oh my. Good morning to you, my friend. So, well, good evening for us. Good evening. She's always dancing again. She makes her Jamie more. Kainit po ng kape sa umaga. Sige po, come here. Mike, you're right. Good morning.
Good rainy.
Tapos, nakalive ako. Right. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you for joining this. Good morning. 20 people.
Yes.
They're coming to get to You are so gorgeous, woman. Thank you.
Hey, it's
Mayan? Good evening, Cheryl. I hope all is well. Thank you. Kevin McConnell. Larry Aton. Hi, Larry. Make something to eat too. Happy hungry, I guess. 42 people. 42 million here. Thank you. Hello po ma'am. Good morning po sa'yo. Hi, Cowboy Peter. Thank you. No yawning on your stream. Whoa. I haven't tried on.
Sabi ko mo. Kaya mo na.
So, sorry. Oh my god.
Ito ba yung live mo ah?
Atabo, kailangan ito. Di ako nakalive kagabi.
Ang atag sa pagdurog.
Atabo ko. Sa tuda. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Any big plans tonight besides joining on your stream? Thank you, 51 people. Plans today. Working day. It's okay. Connect. Sarap po matulog, manay na ikaw ang huling sila ay aray ka. I got to make my coffee. It's okay, I will make it. Oh, Kevin, I just Chubit loves you. Thank you, coffee. Yes, good. I was barking, yeah. Barking. Aray ko.
Pag nag-upload ka sa short video sa YouTube, counted yun sa last hour.
Mas maganyan pag sa shortcut.
Okay, yun naman. Hindi ko muna yung short hour.
Pero ako muna lalatan. Pero ako muna. Ano kasi sa counted yung sa short video, tap, ano yung pag naka-10 million views ka. Kasi diri mo na matikan ito. Mga ano, nakalansin. Thank you. Hello, Mekano. Thank you so much. Your brother, hello. Yes, my brother.
Ano po yung center ng video?
Ha?
Ano po yung center ng video?
Oo. Who did that? Who was in New Zealand? It's me. My God, Mick. It's me. I'm farting. Can't control. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Gwen. Oh my God. Oh, look, everyone. Oh, waking up now. Hi, Golden. When you go to go, when you got to go, you got to go. Yeah, that was fun. Oh my God. My brother didn't recognize I'm farting, but it's too loud. 45 people, okay. I was so good to believe my heart dance. That will wake you up in the morning, yeah. Yep. Yes, Jimmy Moore. Oh, you got hit with it. Yes, Colin. Cheryl channel is live and uncut. I'm interested in you, I don't know. Thank you, 41 million here now. Thank you, Sir Gwen. Oh. My heart sorry. Uy, kagayon. Wala pa. She's my niece. He's studying a criminology course. Yes, be call. To be call. Oh Lord, she's an officer. Not yet, she's still studying. Still study. College student. Sign ka po sa Bicol, ma'am. Sorsogon po. Pretty people. Hi. Children is on fire today. Get them chills. She's still in college. Graduating this year. Oh, graduating pala si Biania.
Hmm.
Gayon, graduating siya. She going for criminal justice, yeah. Yes, Sir Jamie. Good morning, Ate Cheryl. Good morning, Jerome. Albert Torres. Cheryl, I told you Dwayne is great moderator. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Ayos ito para police salute. Yes. Diri na nagpara. My cousin is a detective. Wow. Diri na nagpara ko lugar sa kinkabe. Diri na.
Ano,
Baga maksud naman na siya. Napano na natin doon ko kami nila. Ako dahil.
Ada tugan?
Oo, kaya nagpara rin yung nagpupunta ng gan. Ang pagkainod ka kaya di ba ako di sa ano sa kayo.
Ano sa usap ko na ako sa sumara.
Ano yung gusto ng pag-inod? Tiro kita.
Kaya ni mama, hindi rin pa kaya ko inod this year. Hindi pa kaya ko magawa. Ako, ginito ko siya natin siya. Kaya paano nakabuhat siya. Yung sige na ngayon. Naintudan. Nasa ko pa ito nga. Nasa ko ni Papa. Barbahan ko nila si Mama. Naintudan yan si Papa.
Nakatamo ng panahon dire na nila.
Sabi nga, di ba, hindi na yun nag-ibig sa ako siya. Hindi ko nga mahal ito na si Papay. Sabi niya, inipot niya ako ni Shira. Oh, kaya ako nakabuhat.
Yung borasin. Ano
Sabi
mo
ko
na?
nabigla man si Ate Shay. Sabi ko naman si Papay.
Wala yun ba na wala naman naman may makulog yung main. Hindi rin ba ito, no? Kumbaga.
Ibang pagkasabi ni Mama, hindi pa kaya kayo ni Shira.
Kasi nagburang-buwang na.
Kasi nakabot talaga ako sa tayo. Nakailip ako kung ano kung gano'n. Parang si Papay na.
Eleksyon na ni si Jante kayo. Ano sa mga eleksyon
Kung
ko?
ano siya ni Mama.
Oo, dili yun na. Parabo siya.
Ang nan, yung ibang.
Ilisan talaga. Ilisan tayo yung baga-baga doon.
Hindi, huwag mo doon.
Pag-complete yan pa. Actions ko ka.
Hindi yung paano ano tayo doon? Tama naka-rubber shoes. Pangit. Lahat. Bagoy.
Hindi rin ako din, mga gusto niya.
Oo.
Yan,
Sabi ko sa ko, hindi sa ko ano, kaya black shoes talaga.
Kasi ano ba? Ay, hindi mo na ba?
That's embarrassed. Ay, Cheryl, nagkape. Ayos, nagkape.
First, yung dal shoes. Jelly shoes. Mga dal shoes. Delicious.
Ano kayo, bagang pagka, ano naman, irog po talaga sa
Maraming si Baka.
wow, talaga, paguro, baga siya baga.
Kaya kinulugan siya ka ba?
Naguro, takit siya baga siya. An-impact baga sa sige. Nanday, di ko nga. Ako na tayo kung ka nagagamit niya, nag-era lagay mo din.
Kasi kung dahil ka, ito ba?
Kaya maluyan na baga si mama.
Oo.
Kaya ang pag ano,
Kuhag.
Pag-
Ba't di ba?
pag-ingkod niya, pag-irog niya sa mga, gerog-gerog pa siya sa pag-halit pa, kaya maangat kayo ninyo. Gerog pa siya sa pag-halit pa, pag-irog pa siya, na-impress ako niya. Ay, sorry! Kung diri ko pa irugon siya, no?
Oo. Ba't talaga pagkasabi niyo mo, hindi pa kaya hindi pa kaya kayo mag-share. Kaya kumakuhat pa. Sabi niya.
Irugon ko yung
Mga tiger baka. Malis kaya.
Dire, paguna pa rin yan. Sagi lang. Ay, talagang ano.
Hindi ba tansi kini ba pinakairo mo sa mga
Awatong panda.
Inilig ka. Huwag na inilig.
para subay dan mana si
Paano nakalaylay?
mahal
Nakalaylay na kayo siya sa
Dati kayong unang kami. Paano na rin na.
nakalaylay. Cheryl, I golden. Sorry. Wait. Okay, what? What money? What? Stupid. What? Tell me who's that girl? Sorry, just Martisan 101. Good morning. Morning po. Kape. Kape sa umaga.
Mal, diretso man na nang magkakaroon nila naman initan ko sa ano. Marami ko siya.
Nagtawag, napunta sa ako si Kim. Kaya sabi niya sa akin,
Di ba nagtawagit siya mo kagabi?
sino?
Si Tim? Sabi ni siya yung anak niya sa college. Sabi ako, natarain mo siya niya. Ay, di ba ito kagabi na nagkakaon ka?
Ito ako, nahaghapon nag-aawang niya. Tapos sabi niya sa ito, bago mapalitaan ka na rin sa kanan ko kasi matulog. Hindi na ano, wala na sa mga wala na ito, baka ko ito. Hindi na rin nag-aawang niya. Tapos sinunod sila sa akin. Tapos na,
Kagabi, ito sa hospital siya.
hindi, gusto mo ba ka? Sabi ko na nag-ano punta, siguro inita ko na siya sa diyan. Sundot na ano siya sa diyan. Sabi ko, basta mo yung sinata. Gusto ka sabi, ako man, nag-ano sa hospital sa mga lasing tapos sabi niya, nag-hit siya. Ano ba yan? Nag-hit kay, siguro, ito naman yung sabi niya sa ako, naintindihan ko na ito kay, kuya mo lang siya sabi ko, pero kilala ko na siya. May ano siya sa puso, pero
Kaya ko sumasindat ka pa.
sabi ko sino na nag-atamang kayo walang baga siya.
Sino man nagkara ko lang?
Wala nagtatamang, pero sabi niya, ganun ba kayo? May iniisip niya, sabi niya sa akin, wala di ba ang kapasakit. Kasi sa hospital. Pagday yun sa hospital, walang sinabi ang hospital kasi pero sinusulan niya sa hospital.
Tingin ko dati, kasi pinakaisa na natin si Jane. Nasa hospital ka lang si Jane.
Pero sabi ko, wala na niya. Kaya sabi niya, kaya ito, bukong yan. So,
Pag una ko si Jane niya na nakagabi.
pero ito ko rin sa akin.
Pero kagabi, naglalakaon ka.
Pahadok mo. Tama na yun na maghatag na lang. Hi Ray! Oh my God, Ray! My God, bro, long time no here. Hi Sir Brian. Good morning to you, my friend. How are you? I'm doing fine. Thank you so much po.
Sabi pala sa ako,
Ha?
sabi pala sa ko namin, pag namatay ako, namin ko sa inyo na mag-vlog mo.
Hindi na pinaka-istorya mo. Ang tawag siya.
Nagtawag ka, tawagan mo na sabi ko. Tapos, ano siya, gumawa naman siya, siguro dahil sa,
Stress ko siya. Maiisip.
bawal ang cellphone, ginawa rin siya.
Ah,
Good morning, everybody.
Morning. 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 Laging sisaw. Good morning ka na nga niya.
Bibi Ash, matala.
Good morning, brother. Yes, he's my brother. What are you doing? I'm cleaning first before anything else.
Bibi Ash, matala.
It's my brother.
Bibi Ash. Magligo.
School, the kids having a school today.
Kay lupit ng kapalaran, laging sumay na lamang, kay hirap ng pag-ibig. Tell me that you love.
Does your company have a website? I would like to see what you guys do. Okay. Thank you. What? Rick, I drove Siemens for many years as owner operator.
Mamaya itong tubig.
Hi, Carlos. Sapat na sa akin. happened? Now, my son took over my small company. He's doing great. Has 3 owner-operators through this song. 37 people. Thank you.
Amen. Amen na ba? Oo. Parang bumak, sir. Ano po yung mga ay sa inyo ko ang kay Ash? So, sa may kanati, siya mo rin sa inyo, ata yung kanang umbrella, hakit. Ash! Bibi, mata na!
Forty-five people. Coffee! Coffee!
Ash! Mata na kalit ka na yung tubig. Mata na ito. Ang kaluto. Pag-i-eat sila lang.
Golden, you're cleaning. What happened to the volcano, Cheryl? Volcano and volcano eruption. Golden. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Dancing brain girl, I'm talking to you. Yeah, okay. Yes, Golden. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Mahal ko. Sa akin
May mga tumat si Mana.
Coffee.
Oh, naman ako sa sige lang. Ito sa iyo, Dada.
Mamaya na lang video, may budget baga kami. Dagan si Rano. Dagan si Rano sa Maribo. Sabi niya, ano mga bata, parang ikaw.
Budget.
Sabi ko, magaling ka mo kay para ano mga tumaga, matag na.
Natag nga.
Inangadjit pa siya. Inangadjit. Kaya ko nung pangadjit niya kay nakaraan. Nabayagon siya.
How can you have so many music on your head? So many music on my head. Yeah. Can't count.
You're funny. Yes, I am. I'm crazy, you know. Sometimes, all the time.
Ano naman ito?
Ano, gusto mo itlog, kuya? You want itlog? Tapos,
Pakanto pa lang at sa amon ko magbot na kanya.
Ay, saan kasama ko kasi nito?
Dapat pa rin pagka tubig, bagon. Ano po kami na diwa? Bisa, hindi may nilagyan.
Ay, ito na may kali dito. Ay, hindi ka nakalitan ako siya. Ano, ako.
crazy yan.
Sarap na natin ito.
Thank you, 31 people.
Ay, nakasilip. Malas ka muna na wala ka mo. Hindi naman
Thank you. You wait to happy all the time. Yeah. I need to, yes, my,
Ano ko din na may mapakawan mo.
that's my stress reliever.
Hindi mo mablimutan.
My stress reliever. Nararamdaman ko sapat na sa where baby girl at? The baby girl is in their home. The baby girl. The other one is still sleeping. I'm back. Hi, Carol Mac.
Ma-spelling niya lang ay may A pa.
Pag may sasabihin mo,
The ears, yeah, the ears. Ash, kaya ka na, Ash. Ayan, come on. Ay, ayan na, kaya nalayan na sa matiyan. Nahanap ka.
Ay,
Kilala pa rin siya.
nahanap ko sa dito.
May nahanap ka sa pants mo. Paano mahilig siya magano sa... Kanto ng gadya sa ano. Tapos may pa siya sunod.
Good morning, ikaw dito sa live.
Sorry, I don't know her name. Ashley. Remember? Her name is Ashley.
Tama ka pa ng
Sobrang patubig. Kaya mo dato.
Hindi mo na mainit ko, nagka-renews na.
Oh yeah, the Ashley. How did you miss me? I was done too.
Ma, may school daw.
No, may school ka kaya nga. Nagmahal ka.
Pero ko na school.
Sapat na.
Wala ito makaulit sa natin kasi, mga wano.
Ay, mauli kong to sira.
Oo, sabi sa natin siya, may school na ba na, mahatag sila. Oranon.
Ah, kanina ha.
Oo. Nasa sabi niya ate maatag sarap.
Bali pa kanhi pala.
Ako mag-open.
Mabali din na ito makan. Malanganin.
Body 1 years na ito dito.
Malakupon.
Oo. Ano dito? Mag-lubong-lubong.
No,
Hindi
body,
na alay, ha?
body 1 years na ito dito.
Here, brother, though. Yeah, my brother. Napon ko siya. Na ano man.
Kapag sagi, sige ang tanong. Awat pa ito. Mga 50 po, mga dandan ng mga pusit na sagi. Urad lo sa'yo. Buwa, paging. Santang santo, grabe ito. 100% spoon ito. Resort. Tawa ka na ka, kaong kaging. Kila niya. Kila ka. Ha? Kila ka? Ay, nga tulog pa ini, si Kuliso. Nagpaburog ta. Dapo. Ay, kayo mo ka na.
Tayo muna.
Wala na kagapuha mo.
I see he got his tail. Where your brother? I want to ask the question. What your question?
Tipo, tadi lang kita siya kandang na huro ba? Pura na naman.
I can't choose sell it for him. Got him. Malumluman nga niya.
Ma, absent ako.
Ha? Can he read English? I will read for him. Yeah, he can read, but here eyes is not. He can not 20/20 vision, not me. I'm 20/20 vision. Even here, I can read like this. He can read. He reads like this. Thank you, 51 people in the house,
Uus.
in the room. Live streaming. No, I'm not married. Never been married. Sir Wise Cabby.
Hindi ko. Sino yun, mama na Sherry? Sherry.
AU 2020, I don't know about that. 20/20 vision means my eyes is clear.
Paka.
Sure? Yeah, I'm sure.
Ray. Ano na lang hinihimo mo dyan? What do you do? Diyo lang ma. Ano yun?
Ano eh?
Sad. Aray mo, baka.
I'm cooking. So you say, lol.
Ulun.
Free Weller Jobber. Hi, hello. Cheryl, brother is she like the self YouTube when she not live also.
Bata pa ako.
Why cooking? Fried egg.
Nalit ko na.
Fried egg, fried chicken. Well, why is Kelly is cooking food? Happily, her brain is in there. Of course. If you haven't, please like and subscribe to Cheryl. Thank you, Dalvin. I thank you, Hags. Thank you so much, Hags.
Golden.
Lagi tayo pasakay.
Ha?
Mama, I'm hungry daw.
Dad, ako na yung natin din. Natagbutan sana. Chicken. Oh, I'm hungry. Let's get.
Ay. Luto man siya sa kadiri na yun.
Nasa akin, nalalaman ko. So, $5 for food. Yeah. $5. $5 for
Sa ako. 1 hours ka na pala mama dito? 1 hours ka na dito? 1 hours ka na dito?
Oh. And you can eat her. Yeah. You can eat her food. Extra 5, you can eat with her. The food is expensive. The food is expensive. Eat with me. $500. No one can afford.
Hi. Hello.
Sapat na sa akin.
VIP.
Look, VIP siya.
$500. Oh my God.
$500, yeah.
Mayayaman.
Oh my God. No one can afford.
Where are you from daw?
I'm from Philippines. Welcome to the land of the Philippines. Nice food, Gagab. Muranon.
Yeah.
Join disrespectful, you get timeout or a channel ban. Very respectful to the recital times. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. From Nepal. Thank you from Nepal.
Mama, ang una nag-imod sa imo.
For $500, there need to be a date with them. Oh, date at the mountain. Patry mo ka. Patry mo ka.
Ay, nakagandang ginatayban ito.
Sa comment na lang ito.
Nakaya siya. Nakaya mo.
Sorry, baby.
As ang na.
Sige.
Mas pila tita si Maine.
Mainit ka tubig. Sarang boss. Dito na lang ako.
Nan.
Ay, hindi na naman ang hangin. Ano ka nga? Sabi mo na ako, manar.
Kagaya ni Baba.
Dira mo ko na ako na. Tandok sa kagabi. Si Jiro.
What?
Bawal magsimangot, Monday.
Monday ngayon. Lagi na kasi mango.
Wait. $100 is turned into it. Well, it's the whole family lives there.
Then,
Golden fish or your comments are not appropriate. This is not a dating site. Mike, Golden is my friend. Mike.
Mama, mind your business da.
Bago lang yan din naluto ni Father, ha? Bago lang yun.
No once later, yeah. Don't worry. Just Golden just the comments just a joke. Golden, this is not a dating site, and I am telling you that here. And don't call me out on things if you haven't been here from B1. No one's, yeah. Adrian, three-wheeler lover. Tell me who's that? Sorry, Golden, didn't mean harm. I see it was a joke. It's all good. Yeah, it's just a joke. Don't. Yeah, just a joke, Golden. I'm sorry if I was out of line. I apologize. Yeah, just a joke, guys. Oh my god.
Yes.
He always joking me since he,
Tagalog
no
naman, Mama.
offense, ano
Tagalog.
ba yan? Oh my goodness. Just a joke. No, serious. Golden is always joking.
Mag-upo kasi school. Kung pala karamot pa, magkakarawag naman sa sarili ng ba?
Mas kanang kalu ko na biya. Ang tigdara lang kuwan. Ang tanggap. Layo ko di.
I could if I wanted to a long time ago. I never go that far.
Oo nga. Sige, kaya ako magmalakas. Oo nga din. Sabi niya sa lahat, pero pag-ato si mama, kasi yung mapag-ibig pag mga pag-ibig sa kaya naman ang mama. Makabuka ako dapat ni Papa yung palitin
Nana, pakaunan ko sa si Papa isang no?
Yaw.
Wala na sa rumba.
siya na lang ano.
May prito doon. Pritos na.
Si Bensing ka na, si Kagat
Hi, Ayadi. Pwede na yan.
Sudah man si Papa isang putsay lang.
Oo. Galing sinyo.
Nabuan na.
Ako ba yun?
Nam nam nam. Nam nam. Nam nam.
Ay, natag mo pa yun, mama.
Malang balunan mo.
Ano ka niya sa pag ano ka ba sa nanay? Daw hilaw? Dada, mga gusto. Hindi na hilaw. Ay, pinakuha na lang yan. Ako, maumal mamay. Salot, balik kami na dua. Maumal na siya.
Kurang ko lang. Dali na ate-ate.
Darang ka na akong sige.
Aba, dali na ate-ate.
Sa magdarang.
Dali na ate-ate.
Mainit ulit ka? Pero malamig mo. Malamig ka. Ay,
Malamig ka.
ano ka ba? Mainit na. Pasok. Just say.
Say. Rain.
Si Kuya Dre ho, mama naghanap sa imo.
Ha?
Kuya Dre.
Si Kuya Dre.
Hindi.
Kuya Dre, why they picking on you, my friend? I don't know. They not picking. Just a joke. Just saying, yeah. Good morning, how are you and your family? Hi, Pinks, how are you? Hello, sorry, do I remember you? Ano ba yun?
What?
I could if I wanted too long. What's up, Golden? Kuya, it was a total misunderstanding.
Ay.
Na 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 ko, sapat na.
Ano yun si Mamay?
Ha?
Si Mamay.
Ito kung saan? Okay.
Ano lang? Makarami ka na ano?
Kuna?
Ano?
Ha? Conversation.
Ano? Igab.
Wait. Just wondering. I don't like people calling me out on things not important. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Ha?
Ano ka na?
Matulog ka? Matulog mo din ha? Ha? Mabailat ka.
Sagan. Ano ko, nagyara.
Doon na lang ng gabi. Tapos sa akin ka mag-gabi.
Ang brogan mo ako mamaya.
Nako.
Ano lang? Kay Kuya Big na magpamarog.
May pasa kami yan. 22 people. Oh, Cheryl, hi. I'm just happy for her. She works hard to get here. Yeah, thank you, Golden.
Oh, mainit na nakaaso na.
Oh, sige, maayan naman na ito.
Oh, hindi.
Wala ta, kayo niniinit ko pa.
Pusa lang nila. Pang nano, pang tayo.
No, you got 41, yes. Yes, 41 years old. My God, too young. Thank you so much.
Nandito na ang aking store.
I'm turning 41.
Mas malang yun yung ano nila.
Thank you so much. Young and beautiful. Feel young, just feel young.
Ano lang nakutong? May gawa nakutong tapos.
Yakapin ko sa lilim ng iyong Ay, nakalib ako. Kamu ba?
Tingnan na ako na saan.
Isda na yun. May isda yun. I am looks like beans and rice, brown rice. I've been around for a while. Can't remember how long. How long? Hello, hi, Mickey. Okay, that makes sense. How
Saan ko ang badpag siya?
Apa itu sana nakahangin ano naman. Walay puti mo na ano. I'm sorry, Chimakis. Many people here, so I don't remember who's joining my live. Sorry, but thank you for joining here.
Kuya, dia.
Opo.
Ang sundog. Tapos ang first. Dito na.
Wait. Ba na yun? Nag-ano ka na?
Wala na, finish na. Hello guys.
Bawal na ano.
Nakahaba. Bago.
Wala na. Maluto pa.
Sir. Big man.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much, Etienne people. Thank you for joining. Hi, Sir Jeff. Another day. Wow, this is like the fourth time I always introduce myself all the time. I'm sorry, Chimakis. Oh my god. No. No, not yet today. Anyway, who know you see one or not still early. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.
you po. Not yet today. Thank you so much, Golden. Thank you, guys.
Jacket ako.
Oo, mag-jacket ka. Mag-jacket ka para di rin halata.
Nakapulo. Ano shirt?
Magsinilas ka lang ha kay Maurano.
Yes, of course.
Ito ang ano ang jacket.
Uy, yan. Pati.
Ano? May kalo pa.
Itong kalo.
Ito may kalo pa bagay na ano. Di ba may kalo yan? Still raining. Yeah, still raining here.
Ano, dami mo ka.
Maka na kaisod lang yan.
Ayun, mo na ako na kayo.
Parang mo.
Lilisi.
Mali.
Thanks for that.
Kasi guwapo. Oh my God.
Kuya Dre.
Si Kuya Jway. God, many people.
Dre. Ang sabok. Ang sabok. Kuya kayo.
Ano yung nakalimutan mo? And then, parang, ang mga gamit mo, ikuha mo na mga notebook mo. Ang ballpen mo. May ballpen ba ako din na pinakain? Oh, Ben. May ballpen ba ako din na pinakain?
Ano yung labor? Ay, kinuha ko rin yan.
Bala ka na lang ito karati sa mga
Diri, dito ka rama. Ito magbit. Ay, gis duwa.
Gusto tayo lang.
Diri, gis duwa. Pero malas dito.
Oo.
Ako ba nung kasi? Thank you.
Oh, payong ka. Ang jacket mo. Ang jacket.
Bigta na, madungo kayo.
Ayan mo. Kalitan mo kayo mo. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Si bye. Si bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Going to school. Rainy Oldie, yeah, Oldie raining. Hi, Stephen. so raining here. School today, yeah, having school today. Some tell the title, man, I said, what's up? Huh? So I saw the little man, I said, what's up? I am. He read Kuya. He's my son, Gab. Kuya J. Hi, Donnie. Pay attention to learn a lot, God. Thank you, pa. Yeah, I need to learn a lot. No sexy dance move mo. Yeah. Bye-bye, Ash! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! You will be a smart boy, I like it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Vic. Like his Yeah, Mom, I know. I just couldn't remember his name. Did not want to mess spell it. Gabriel. Gabriel. Thank you so much for joining for yeah, Gabriel. Yes, Gabriel. Yes, Kuya Jay. His name is Gabriel. Good morning. Hi, good morning, ML. Good morning. Oh. Oh my God, meaning. Yeah, you spell right, but single L, just single L. That's no
Single L and no A at the last name. Single L and no A at the last name. Good morning to you. Thank you. Man, it's raining hard. Yeah, raining hard here, Golden. Raining hard. Five people. I hope you didn't wash clothes. Yeah, not wash clothes today because raining. How to dry? How to dry the clothes? Another one, one, two. Another one. Hello, hi Belle. Letter, right? Later, guys, about to start driving again. God bless. Thank you for your dream, for joining. What up to you? Okay. Kuya, have a good rest day. Take care from Jane. Bye, Kuya. It sounds like it's raining harder. Yeah. Raining harder. Harder. Raining harder here. Right. Raining harder. Hi, Golden, the three-wheeler lover. Hi. Wise. Wise, Kevin. Kaya money, parauran na. Wise, so you need, no, I can't manage myself. Thank you, Wise, Carrie. People lover, Dwayne, good to see you to my friend again. Hi, Cheryl. Nice to meet you. Can we friends? Yes, can we friends? Of course. Nice to meet you, pa. Wise. There's nothing wrong asking how, Cheryl. Is it pouring? Is it pouring today? Pouring? What pouring? Boring? Maybe boring? Pouring? You got rain coming, yeah. Rain coming. Yesterday, I have a good weather, sunny day. Today is raining again. Hope tomorrow sunny again because need to work tomorrow. Can't work now a lot because of maybe writing now. A lot, so I need to write a lot. 41 people. Hola mujer hermosa. Hola mujer. Raul. Hi Raul. Okay guys, got to get some sleep. Long day tomorrow. Take care everyone. Bye Cheryl. Bye Mike. Thank you for joining Mike. Alright. Have a good sleep. Sweet dreams. Sleep well. Thank you for joining. Pouring in like when someone see the rain coming down, they might see like man it's coming down or pouring down. Ah, oh yeah. Yeah, pouring. 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 What was that? Pouring, like, ano yung pouring? Yeah, the pouring. Oh, pouring. With that hand. Ah, pouring, like drop, falling the rain, falling. The rain is falling. The sign language, yeah. The pouring pouring the rain. Am I right? Pouring like falling down. Am I right? I don't know. Pouring. Yeah, I get it. Oh yeah. It is golden. It's a pouring. Ah yeah. Oh. Pouring. Hey. Hi bar 18. 57 likes. Thank you so much. No dancing for you today, yeah. If someone gives a chat, I will dance. Gives me energy. Oh my god. My eyes. Oh, thank you, Golden. I'm not married. No marriage. Not married. Yep. Hello, hello. You look so pretty. Thank you, Pedro. Pedro Garcia. Thank you, 58 likes. Oh my. Thank you, guys. Was when the volcano happened. And in another day, past date happens. Far here in Sorsogon, where I live. But we have a volcano here near here. It's called Bulusan Volcano, and the volcano is for 3 hours from home. A bus from the bus. Not happy today. Not happy today. Why? Why not happy today? Yep. Oh, 59 likes. Thank you. Aray. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for the 60 likes. Oh my god. Probably medical likes. Thank you, Bear. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much. Antonio. Hi, Antonio. Nar Aziza. I see those wells turning. Turning. 43 people in the house. Thank you for likes. Oh my god. Monday look like it's going to be a slowly today, yeah. Slowly today. What do I always say to you? What do I always say to you? What? Oh my god, 61 likes. Wow. My eye bugs. When we're talking about money. Huh? Good luck with that girl. I can't remember sometime. Huh? Ate Cheryl, paano pag yumaman na ako? I-share mo ako. Pag yumaman ka, tulungan mo yung iba. Share mo yung yung blessings. Kapag yumayaman yung tao, may purpose yan. So, kaya kitang bilihin, we. Grabe man yun. Ruben run too much. Kaya mo ako bilihin. Marami nang nagsabi sa akin dahil mahal kita. Meron nga dyan. Dami nang binigay sa akin. Hindi na makaya mabilin. Grabe yan. Grabe. Pati buhay mo, grabe talaga ito. Yabang naman. Balang araw yayaman ako. Yayaman ka. Basta, alam mo, kapag, mabuti yung hangarin sa buhay, pinapayaman niya ng Diyos ng maayos. Pero kapag, yung perusahan yung yaman, yung galing din naman sa hindi maganda, pangit yun. Hindi maganda siya. May siyang dulot, hindi siya magandang dulot, no? Kaya pag yumaman ka in a good way and a good purpose in your life, Jerome, masarap namnamin. Pag binili ko na ang bahay sa atin, bakit pumabayag ba ako? Pumayag ba ako, Jerome? Kukuha ako. Alam mo bakit? Huwag mo na ako isali kasi kaya ko naman ang sarili ko. Siguro, ilaan mo na lang yun sa mas nangangailangan. You are a beautiful girl. I'm Italian. I'm 25 years old. Would like to exchange Instagram handles. Hi, thank you for joining. RDM 2000. Daniel Rodriguez. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Sir Daniel. How are you doing today? I'm good. I'm doing live. Sinong nangangailangan, te? Marami nangangailangan. Marami naghihirap ngayon. Ako, kaya ko suportahan yung sarili ko. Kaya ko alagaan. Manic Monday. Manic Monday. Manic Monday. Sir Daniel. 39 people. Thank you so much. 62. 2 likes. I'll check. Sir Daniel, ay, sa ano yung Jerome. Kaya ko alagaan ang sarili ko. Siguro kapag yumaman ka, masasabi ko sa'yo, masarap namnamin kapag yumayaman yung galing sa mabuti paraan. Magandang intention, no? Walang masyadong halong kayapangan. Na ito, yung purpose mo, kaya yaman kasi kailangan mong patunayan sa mga taong ano, no? Hindi, kaya ka yumaman, masarap ano, kaya ka yumaman dahil may ano ka sa buhay, may goal ka na kaya yaman no, kasi yung family ko, yung ano yung goal yung sarili ko, kailangan ko improve yung sarili ko para sa, you have a goal at ano, maganda yung intention mo, kaya gusto mo naman. Pero kapag yaman ka sa, magyayabang ka lang naman. Pagyayabang mo sa, ano na, nayaman na ako, sa mga kamag-anak mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga naging ex mo, or sa mga naging majujuwain mo, mga purpose mo na jujuwain. Pangit. Hindi yan magtataga. May bad reputation. So, ang ganda. Hindi ako available, Jerome. Tsaka, mahirap pag-usapan yan ngayon. Mahirap ang buhay. Mahal ang bigas. Mahal ang bilihin. Unahin mo pa yung jowa. Unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kasi kapag you have everything, madali na para sa iyo ang lahat. Kasi kapag wala, nangangapa ka pa. Ang hirap. Totoo lang. Unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kasi, sabi mo nga, gusto mong yumaman, gayaman ka. Yun muna yung goal mo. Sige, salamat sa concern mo. Kapag ang goal mo is, di ba, nagka-girlfriend kasi na-in-love sila. Yung goal nila is makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para matupad yung mga pangarap nila at magsama sila. Yun yung goal nila. Pero kapag ang goal mo ngayon, tapos yumaman ka, yun muna yung iniisip yun. Ganda yun. Pero kapag may goal ka kasi kailangan mo may partner ka sa buhay, focus. Yes, I understand. Daniel Rodriguez. Thank you, Sir Daniel. Naintindihan mo? You understand, Sir Daniel? Because Jerome said he will be rich. If he will rich, he can buy me. So, oh my God. Love, money can, I don't know. I said, don't worry about me. I can manage myself. I can take care of myself. I don't understand. Sorry, Sir Daniel. Jerome said he will be rich. That's why if he will rich, if he will be rich, he can buy me. He will buy a house, something like that. And then, even my life, he can buy me. So, I said that if you want to be rich, you have a good purpose in life. That's all you know that. You have a purpose in life. Not the purpose is not you're going to be rich because you are being so proud that you will be rich, being the pride being a rich people. It's not that's sweet of him. Ate Cheryl, bawal na akong tumambay ngayon. Bakit? Maganda yan. Yung pagtambay mo, gawin mo siyang gumawa ka ng di ba nga na na magiging busy ka, make busy para hindi ka ma-boring or walang alam mo yun, distraction para may ginagawa. Pag may ginagawa kasi, nadidistract ka sa stress, boring, so boredom. Being rich is not just about money though, yeah, I understand. It's not just about the money. Being rich people. I think everyone is want to be rich, but in a different ways. A happy family is a rich family, yes. I agree, sir. Danielle Rodriguez. Thank you, 20 people, 21 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Willie Warren, kumusta po? Hi, Sir Willie. Being happy with the ones you love is most important. Yep. Yes, sir. Danielle. Hello, everyone. Hi. Wildbird. Bonoiti, Carita. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you, 22 people. I have to see. I like seeing Baka Filipino leaders like yourself. Thank you, Sir William. Are you in your CR? No, I'm in the room. I'm in the room. Oh my God. I look like because of the shower curtain. It looked like the shower curtain, Sir Daniel. I'm in you're welcome. I'm in the room. Where in my room? Sora looks like shower curtain. It's okay for it's raining there. Yeah, raining here. But just wanted to let you know that you have some of us are neon. Sorry. Sorry naman. Hi, Sir William. Sir William. Thank you, 17 people now. I need to end the live now because I need to do something here. So, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining, guys. And I really appreciate you supporting me here on the my live streaming here on YouTube. And it helps me a lot. Thank you, my friends here on YouTube, like hosts, to those always joining my live stream. Thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone. And see you always on the live. See you next live. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Thank you, Sir Danielle. God bless. Thank you. God bless, Miss Cheryl. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Love you all.